What's up, guys? I'm just going to show you 2 ways you can create chatbots like really easily. Oh yeah, so the first one will be on GoHighLevel. So if you need an account, then there'll be a form below. There'll also be an affiliate link if you don't want to use my GoHighLevel. So yeah, so come into GoHighLevel, go to sites, and then you want to go click on chat widget. So you want to click on new, and you want to go live chat. You customize it however you want. I'm just gonna close all of these. I don't really like it. So for GoHighLevel, you can like do these business office hours setup, but it doesn't really make sense if you're going to use AI. Just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to go and just save that. Sweet. So now that you've created the live chat or chat widget, come to automation. You want to go click on create workflow, click on start from scratch, and then I'm just going to name this and then add new trigger, and the trigger is just going to be customer replied. The filter is going to be reply channel, and you're going to put chat widget, and then you're going to put live chat as YouTube demo live chat, and you're going to save the trigger. And then your next step is going to be OpenAI, so ChatGPT powered by OpenAI. Choose what model you want. I'll just go with mini, it's cheap, and enable chat history, and you just want to go, let's go custom. Please input memory key, contact ID, and then for the prompt, let's get Claude to create us a prompt. Yeah, so got the prompt here. Obviously, you'll create the prompt for yourself. So take your prompt, come back to GoHighLevel and paste it in the prompt, and you want to save the action. Your next message is going to be send live chat, and all this is going to be it's going to be GPT, and it's going to be a response. You're going to save the action and then save that. Yeah, so come back to your chat widget. So this one was mine, YouTube demo. So yeah, you got your chat widget here. What you want to do is get the code. So get this code here and copy it, and then go to your website. And then come to tracking code, go to footer tracking, paste that in there, save it, and publish it. So now if we come in here and go to the bottom right, bottom right, come up, to the question below, hey, what's the pricing? Yeah, well, a good tip is to actually publish your automation. Yeah, so good tip is to actually publish your automation so that it can work. Okay, so what we're going to do is take this prompt, and we're actually just going to put it in the system message. So, messages active. And then for the prompt, use the system. Let's just go prompt use the system. Question. Message. And we'll just go message body and save the action. Save this. Should work now. Hey. What's pricing? Oh. For this, the next step I'll do is just this make the replies more brief. So I'll just go use the system message to answer user's question or message. Be brief and concise. Be brief and concise. Be brief and concise. Use the message and message body. Save that. Just come in here. Hey. Hello, message. What's pricing? Yep, so I've got voice agent packages, starter package, and put whatever you want in here. So I'm just going to remove that now. Yeah, so this next website Chatbot is going to be in N8N. So just go to n8n.io and sign in or create an account. The best way is to probably self-host. I've got a video on that, so check it out if you want. But yeah, obviously once you're in, create a workflow. The trigger is going to be a chat, so it's going to be on chat message. And then your next step is going to be an AI agent. And so your next step is going to be AI agent. So just search up AI, click on agent. So for the source for prompt, you're just going to go connect the chat trigger node. And then for your system message, you just put your prompt in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Claude to create another prompt. Okay, so Claude's creating me another prompt here, so I'm going to copy that, paste that in there. And for the chat model, I've got GPT-4 Mini. Yeah, you can choose whatever you want. I think maybe Gemini might be a good one. But yeah, and then for the memory, so just put the session ID as the connected chat trigger node, and then the context will just be how many past interactions the model receives as context. So just save that. So then to put it into your website on GoHighLevel, what you need to do is click on this and make the chat publicly available. And you're going to want to come here to this N8N chat page. So take this code here, this embed code right here, and all you're going to do is come back to your footer tracking, paste that in there. So I'm just going to get my webhook from N8N, this one right here, and just paste it in and save that as well. Then I'll just refresh this page here. Hi, my name is Nathan, how can I assist you? Hey, what's the prices? My plans start at $297 a month, but the exact pricing depends on your specific needs. How about a quick 10-minute chat to get you an accurate quote? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Claude to write some code to make it a little bit different. Yep, so that's done. So I'm just going to come back to the builder, save it, going to publish it. I'm trying to refresh this. And you can see it's changed the how can I help you, ask me any questions. What your services? We have business only calls using AI voice agents that sound human. Want to help on a call to discuss the scope of your business. What is your price? I play side every month, but it really depends on your specific needs for each chat for 10 minutes. So it's pushing for that, appointment, which is alright, because I prompted it to. So that's how you do that. These are really simple AI automations or, ways you can implement AI into, small businesses. And just a good way you can get some money, a little bit of money for, something pretty easy. If you want to use my GoHighLevel, there'll be a link down below. Or if you don't want to use my GoHighLevel, then there'll be a link for a free trial for just normal GoHighLevel. Yeah, and if you like the video, then like the video. Comment if it was good, bad, anything else you might want to see. I'm just going to post a lot of these sort of simple automations for the next bit. There's obviously a little bit of value in it. It's really simple to learn and really easy to implement, but can be really valuable. So connect with me on LinkedIn and subscribe if you want to see more of that.